Page 1. Do you make these common English grammar mistakes? In this video, you will learn 5 simple grammar mistakes that many English learners make. We will look at the wrong sentence, fix it, and learn the rule in a very easy way. Let's get started. Page 2. Mistake number 1. He, she, it, and the letter S. Look at this sentence. She go to school every day. This sentence is wrong. Why? Because the subject is she. In the simple present tense, when we use he, she, or it, we usually add s to the main verb. So we do not say, she go. We say, she goes. Page 3. The correct sentence is, she goes to school every day. Listen again. She goes to school every day. With he, she, and it, add s to the verb. For example, he plays football. She reads a book. It likes apples. This is a very common mistake, but now you know the rule. Page 4. Mistake number 2. Do or does. Look at this question. Do she usually work on weekends? This question is wrong. The problem is the word do. When the subject is she, we need to use does. So we do not say, do she? We say, does she? Page 5. The correct question is, does she usually work on weekends? Listen again. Does she usually work on weekends? Use does with he, she, and it. Use do with I, you, we, and they. For example, does he usually take the bus to work? Does she usually work on weekends? Do they work on Saturdays? So remember, he, she, it, does. I, you, we, they, do. Page 6. Mistake number 3. Is, and are. Look at this sentence. She are very tired today. This sentence is wrong. The problem is are. With she, we do not use are. We use is. So we do not say, she are. We say, she is. Page 7. The correct sentence is, she is very tired today. Listen again. She is very tired today. Here is the simple rule. I am. He is. She is. It is. You are. We are. They are. So if the subject is she, the correct form is. That is why we say, she is very tired today. Page 8. Mistake number 4. A or in. Look at this sentence. She has an apple in her bag. This sentence is wrong. The problem is a apple. The word apple starts with a vowel sound. Before vowel sounds, we usually use an. So we do not say, a apple. We say, an apple. Page 9. The correct sentence is, she has an apple in her bag. Listen again. She has an apple in her bag. Use an before vowel sounds. For example, an apple, an orange, an umbrella, but use a before consonant sounds. For example, a book, a student, a car. So remember, a book, but an apple. Page 10. Mistake number 5. There is and there are. Look at this sentence. There is 2 books on the table. This sentence is wrong. Why? Because 2 books is plural. When we talk about more than one thing, we use there are. So we do not say, there is 2 books. We say, there are 2 books. Page 11. The correct sentence is, there are 2 books on the table. Listen again. There are 2 books on the table. Use there is for one thing. Use there are for 2 or more things. For example, there is a book on the table. There are 2 books on the table. Now let's review the 5 correct sentences. She goes to school every day. Does she usually work on weekends? She is very tired today. She has an apple in her bag. There are 2 books on the table. Which mistake do you make most? Write it in the comments. And subscribe for more simple English lessons.